Okay, for third game, Titans versus the CEO. Mga kapatid, enjoy the game and...
Makaligtad.
Okay, tulingan lang tayo.
Captain Ball bro James. Captain Ball.
Kailangan din po dito.
Okay lang. Okay lang yan.
Wala kang Captain Ball?
Okay, good luck guys. Good luck and enjoy the game. Okay, first position na the CEO. By reason, trouble ring, there's a trouble. Turnover ng the CEO. Para ano, papokus ako dito sa ano.
Metro and number 67 side step, easy basket by number 67, easy 2 points. 9 minutes 20 seconds at the first quarter. Rebound by number 22. Number 22 from CEO number 1, the star player. Number 3, 3-point touchdown! And number 3, 5-0 at the 8 minutes and 40 seconds. Lisa, nagdadala ang nagtitimot ng bola, number 22. To number 29, Triple Thomas Field! And number 22, back to number 1. Ang star player ng Field. Tira mo na! Yan ka!
Ang sabi ni Ibon!
Then, substitution. Dahil sa pagka-shoot ko, Kuya Kani, napatalo si Pare Boyet, sumakit ang paa. Okay. Takbo kaya mo ng ating CEO. To number 2, to number 22, Fisa. Sa gitna, Fisa, Saiter, to make it Ashley!
Hey, no.
Number 22.
Number 3.
Number 2, blocking foul. Nice ball around. And number 3, foul. Luisa is in basket.
Ano ka shot? Number 22?
Two at the first quarter. And number 3, Timo Latsam. No good to number 9, Jose. And still there, number 67, Santik. To number 9. To number 1, number 3, to make jump shot. Easy basket. Easy basket para sa ating numero 3.
Number 3.
Luisa ang nagtitimol sa gitna. Side to nicely. Isa ka. Isa pang down. And number 67. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 7. Number 7. Number 6. Number 7. Sa gitna. And no good. At again. Luisa. Naghanap. Number 18. Bomba. Natapat lang po ang pagsunod.
Number 9, Choi.
Number 9, foul. First personal foul. 6 minutes and 40 seconds sa ating first quarter. Number 6, baseball. The rebound. Suiza. Suiza. Number 6 to 5 to number 20. Number 18, umikot, reverse basket issue. Basket by number 18. Number 18 is a basket, but it's 40 seconds. To number 67. 67. Naghanap pa pa sa kita. To number 9. David. Fast break pass. Number 18. Fast break pass. 18. Party to party. Pasabat. And let's go.
Si Marvin, di lumakan.
To number 67. 67. Ang nagtitimon. 67.
Time to shoot.
And to shoot. It's still number 5. Shoot it now. Still number 18. And the 5 minutes please player.
8
round. 8 round. 4 minutes. Our green team. Back to the ball game. We're having third game between Azio and Titans. And that's number 33 goes the ball. It's hit by number 13. 13, number 13 rebound. To number 6. To number 6. Yes. This 8-12 sa ating first quarter.
Baka sila dyan, hindi sila numero.
And Trace, number 3, tumapantog, 3 to again. And no good. Rebound by number 21. 21 pass by pass. AJ hits the basket for number
8-14.
Itong dalawang kayo dito, tayo mag-umpisa na. Naiinit na ang ating sa player of the game. Kaya number 13. Number 13 to 21. Back to number 13. Side step sa kita. JP. Bang! No good. Number 6. Using the board. No good. And power rebound by number 9. Great ball. And good evening to my best friend, to my player, to the memorable player, Team MTC, Mr. Enzo Chamber, Malcama! And number 9, the number 9, bonus shot, and the high target, was power up, foul, and number 15, number 6. Pushing foul. We have a bonus shot from number 9. Good evening, everyone, sa ating new Titan Basketball League Season 2. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. 11-14 to Kuya Dampil. Dampil to Kuya to Kuya Cha. And that's a good ball. That's it. Hey! Wrong moves. First, first quarter, 2 minutes and 19 seconds. Down here, to 21. To number 33, it's a shooter, number 9. And there's another. And then, number 6. Yeah, last one. Black ball. Good evening, Mr. Hanstrom, John Fred, Enzo Manzapan from
Time to shoot.
the number 6, Dump. to 21. Dumping. Ayun si Kapal. Yeah. 1 minute and 25 seconds. And number 3. Number 9. Bumaba. Pagi na pagi. Malakas. And number 6. Receive. To number 21. Damping. Damping. For 1 minute remaining time. 1 minute remaining time. Our third game for tonight between the Lions to number 6. Sagita is still
Si has to play.
40 seconds. And number 3. Number 3, Gilbert
Oy, spot tayo.
Number 21. Football, there's no call. There's no call. To Charlie Cooper for Charles 3. 20 seconds. 16-14. 15 seconds. Number 9. Triangelo first basket. However, 8 seconds. 5 seconds. Three for the top. And there's a first quarter. And our first quarter.
Oh yeah.
Wala pang call ng Titan. First quarter, walang call. Ano?
Wala.
Wala. Dito, tatlo.
Titans.
Okay, now it's quarter. Number 3, to good pass, using the ball, malakas. And there's a pressure as rainbow, same ball. Same ball. And player 3 balls again. To number 9, bumababa. Nagpasabit pa. And there's a whistle. Number 3.
Ash, box out. Mix. Box out.
1 point. Number 18. Lakas, number 18. Using the ball.
Lamang na ang Titans.
Pakita to number 9. Number 3 again.
Box out, box out.
Malakas. Number 7 sa gitna. Good. And Tumika.
Di tumama sa ring. Time to shoot.
Dave Favor.
Fast down, man. Fast down.
7.
Wala number 7.
7 ha?
Yung sino mo ito? Ano pa na?
Yung 7 na Titans.
Yung 7.
Yun ang 7 na yan. Yun ang 7 na yan.
7 minutes 40 seconds.
Time out, sir lang, sir.
To number 18, Serta. Serta, sa gitna. Nabot. Player number 15. Number 15. Fair player. To number 3. There's a whistle. And there's a foul. Number 3. Push it foul. Time out.
The CEO.
The CEO. Time out. O ano, pandesal muna kayo. Para kayo mga ano eh.
Tagal lang.
Nakashoot. Pali mo yun. Ito ba? Nakapit mo yan natin. Hindi pa ako nakakainom. Mabili na ako kante.
Ano na lang? Impal?
Easy basket.
18, 20. Basket.
Easy basket. Young Fred, come here. Enzo. 1.3 by Titans. And number 3. Number 3. Number 3. Number 3. To number 7. Number 7. Good ball. Good ball. Number 3 to number 15. Number 15. Levos. And number 67. 67. Kailangan. Malakas. To number 3. Basket. Number 3. Easy basket sa ating. 6 minutes and 20 seconds.
Balik sa lamangas.
Base Bebon, 2.3. The CEO, using the first. And number 9. Wala na, wala pa. Basket.
And number 7.
Basket.
And number 7.
24, 22.
Titans, tama yun, tama. Titans yung kanina. Titans yung kanina. Yun, tie score na yun. Tie score. Titans pa rin yan.
Game clock, nakashoot yun Titans.
24 all. Oo nga, 24 all. 24 all. All 24.
5 minutes, 39 seconds. Kailangan, and then, there's a foul. There's a foul. Pushing foul.
Tama lang sir, 24 all.
Number 18.
26 sir, tama.
Sanil sir. 24. Anong score dyan?
24.
24 all.
Para sa 24.
24 all, tama lang sir. 24 all sir, 24 all. 24 all sir.
67. Right number 2 from Laguna. Number 67, size 10. That's a foul.
Just 5.
Change 5.
Just 5.
Number 7 namin, nila na shoot.
Teka lang.
Nila lang shoot. Number 7.
Tama yung score niya kasi nakatulog sila. Saka ano nakaresign.
Hindi, yung mix sir, nila na shoot. Mix. Number 7 sir. Number 7. Yung number 7 sir. Number 7 sir. Si mix.
Okay? Okay? Just 5 tayo, just 5.
Change 5. Pipring shot lang daw yung isa, tapos change 5 lang. 5 minutes, 10 seconds to move on, please. Adding 30.
Warning na ba tayo? Warning na, no? Apat na?
26-24.
Timpal?
To number 24, Peralta. 72, Mugantok. To number 9. To number 8, Ganta na pasahan. Easy basket. Easy basket para kay Kuya Man. To number 33, the CEO. Number 9. To Kuya Johnson. Trust me. To number 17. To Bangkok. To number 6. Kuya Mike, sa gitna. Kuya Mike, malakas. And green ball. 4-point lead, Titan. 4 minutes, 14 seconds. Number 21. Oy, gandang tira. Number 24 to number 9. To Mike. And there's a reason.
Number 6.
Number 33.
Foul granted. Number 33. Holding foul. And there's a quarter shot from number 6. 6-point lead. Para sa ating
33 ng green, wala.
second quarter.
Meron. Meron kasi
Ayan po. 33. May sister. Ayan na. To number 6, JB. Number 6. Body to body. Malakas. To JB. Number 6 again. Basket. To number 6. Easy basket. 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Serna. Number 18. 3-point attempt. Now good. Okay. And there's a whistle. Number 21.
Tampil.
Foul. First up. No good. Number 23. Number 24. Garanta. Tumabatok number 17. 55. 10. And there's a 3-second call. And there's a 3-second calling from our ref, Sir James. 30-26 ating second quarter.
Gusto niyo yung dalawa?
Hindi naman namin ginamit yung nakaraan laro. Oo, paano na kasi kami hindi namin tayo? Free throw sa ating 15-foot line from Kuya Chan. Love good.
Box out! Box out! Box out! Box out! Box out!
Second attempt para sa ating 15-foot line. Number 33. And away. Uy, asa ng bola? Asa ng bola? Ako na. Ako na. Uy, 100 light. Umigot. 100. Nagtuligan. To Kelvin. Basket.
Time out. Time out.
Time out. Strike out. Nakagarito mo ang kanilang tumawar ng time out.
Basta meron nakatuon sa rebound.
Galing to sa Netherlands.
Box out yun! Box out yun!
Galing to sa Netherlands. Nagre-reklamo.
Hindi, ano na, for info ah, for info.
Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game.
Ala, ito sa
Netherlands. Tataling ko sa Netherlands. 1 minute 41 seconds. Number 18 to number 9. Oh, Zaydanen. Bomba. Wala. Tupuyan na. Number 21. 21. Yes, number 21. Kumay. 18. Hey, tight. Yes, there's a call. Foul. The CEO ball now. 1 minute, 16 seconds. 1 minute, 16 and 10 seconds. Does it go to goal? And there's a traveling call. And there's a traveling call for our run. 50 seconds. 50 seconds. Number 17, Stephen Levy. Italantin mo na! 21. Lazy basket para kay Kuya.
Oy, 30
seconds. Deadlock. All 30. 23 seconds. 14 on the shot clock.
10.
10 on the shot clock. 5. It's a good one. And a basket. 5 seconds.
Number 6.
Yung ano daw po natin, second ano daw po,
Every 5 minutes. First 5 minutes ng first quarter. Running time.
Running time.
Second,
Stop.
stop.
yung third,
Basta ganun.
5 minutes lang.
Basta ganun.
Yung second quarter, yun daw po ang 5 minutes. Okay. 2 points. Favor of Titans. Our third game for tonight, mag-ready na. Sa ating fourth game between SMDC and Lion of Judah, number 67. 67, side step, kay Dalen, isa, 67, and no good. Ay, nakawa mo yung iba. Nakawa mo yung iba. Sige, lipa natin! No good. Minutes to number 6. Number 18, no good. Power rebound by number 3. Number 3, power rebound. To number 6, to number 67, cut. To number 67, 67 sa gitna. Alaya, pwede good, there's no good. Rebound and reverse, and no good again. Rebound by number 18. Number 6. Tutulangan. Suiza ang star player ng Laguna Lakers. To number 29, Ashley!
Gordon.
Number 3. To number 9, Pompa. Number 9, Stack. Point player. Number 3, 3-point again! Amadi, the rebound! 8 minutes 28 seconds sa ating third quarter. Spike, nagtatala. So ating still by Leo. Still, ayun na si Mike. And then to number 6, easy basket. Easy basket. Para kay number 18.
34,
The player,
33.
to number 67. 67 to Leo. 8. To number 67 again. Sa gitna. Layup. And there's a ball. And there's a whistle. Suiza. Number 22. Number 22.
First personal foul.
First personal foul. Waiting. Warning for Netherlands.
Masok.
1 point, 1 point. Deadlock.
Good luck nga. Good luck nga.
Ready pa ka number 13. Sa gitna, 67. Bumay. 67. Wala. To number 18. Malakas. To number 9. To number 9. And there's a whistle. And there's a whistle. Jambol.
Meron sir. Meron. Naka-score sir. Tama lang yun sir. Naka-score. Jambol yan. Jambol. Titans tayo. Titans.
Titans ball. Next jump ball sa ikinamang bola. 7 minutes. Number 6. Abantoy! Kulang pa sa Epectus. Lost ball. And there's 7 minutes. Number 67.
29. Blocking foul.
Foul. Blocking foul. Kuya, Ashley. Malakas lang talaga ang katawan niya. Tapakan mo yung mga kuya. Okay, okay? Mga? Stop, stop. Pasok, pasok, pasok.
Mapahinga mo na sandali. Ano na, pa-recover mo na.
Six minutes still, the number 18. Number 18. Sena! And there's a call. And there's a foul by number 21.
Lampil.
There's a foul. Second personal foul. Number 21 from CEO. Two shot para kay number 18. Where's the tap? No good. Bawal po ang bulungan pa naglalaro. Hoy! Bawal ang bulungan pa naglalaro ba? Magseryoso kayo.
Set. Bye.
Number 18. And there's a troubling goal. And there's a troubling goal by our president, ref. Side ball, side ball. 35-34. Number 6. Same ball. Ten on the shot clock. Kabantong! Yes! In basket using the ball. Napakaganda ng pasa. Nice pass by Kuya Ashley. 6.3. Number 13. Good. Finish mo! Finish mo! Uy!
Time to shoot.
Number 9. Number 9. Number 9. Dati na dati. Bumali. And number 15. A good ball. Third ball.
Good. Pa-recover. Ano. Pastil.
Number 6. Number 6. To number 20. Suiza. Uy! Value ball! Nakatak ng mayaman.
42. Score 42-34.
8.3. Number 6. Time out. Castillo. Time out. CEO. Time out. Tumawag po ng time out ang kanilang coach. Our coach, Kuya Gani. evening sa bagong dating. Good evening sa bagong dating. Ang Mr. Heartthrob ng Riyadh, Mr. King Aranas. Good evening. 3-point attempt, number 27. A little bit this from number 9 to number 18. 18, the captain. Making the number 18. And there's a number 9 to number 6. Sakita, number 9. Bumalik. Yes, no good. Pagawin mo number 18. Basket. The captain is the basket. 8-point lead para sa ating Titan crossover move by number 7, basket. 10-point lead. 46-36. Number 17, Kabantog. Umigot. Entries the number 9. Still there with number 9. Number 9 to number 6. Number 6 sa gitna to number 18. And there's a call. Number 14.
First, number 14, first personal foul.
Team foul. Team foul nila.
Ilan pa po yung pangalan?
Dalawa. Dalawa pa team foul.
Dalawa.
Sir, ilang time out pa po yung CEO?
CEO, dalawa.
Dalawa pa po yan.
Titans, tatlo. Masok yun sa
Nagkahinaharap sa po ni Kabantog si number 1 ang star player ng CEO. Number 18! Ayan! Ayan na! Ayan na! Ayan si Grimble. Dinamihan niyo ang kain ng Cubs sa kanila. Ayan. Hindi kayo makatakbo. Alam niyo may laro, kakain kayo ng marami. Number 1 to number 67. A good ball, there's no whistle. 57 crossover. 57 crossover move. Tira mo na Kuya Ta! Number 14! And it's a good ball. It's a 2-point.
6.
Para kay number 6. 38-47 to number 6. And there's a foul, number 14.
Second personal foul.
Second personal foul. Second personal foul. Good evening, Mr. Handsome Guy. Jing Aranas. Good evening. Number 6, Prince Organ. Then is the basket.
Pag pumasok yung pangalawa, sir.
Upo po kayo, kuya.
Pag pumasok yung pangalawa. Pili tayo mag-up.
Apo, apo. 2 minutes 47 seconds. Number 6. As substitution rep. Number 7 in and number 17 out. Number 33. From the home of CEO, number 67, 3-point attempt. And no good power rebound. And there's a foul check. There was a foul check. Fake. And there's a good goal. Kuyata. Ay! Kuyata. And good. And there's a good. Okay. Titan ball. 2 minutes, 22 seconds.
Nasab?
Ayan na. Number 3. Number 3 to number 6, Mike. 3-point attempt. Number. Liga. Bigay mo na. Bigay mo na. Mr. Lopez. Number 18. Suicide ka ba, ha?
First personal foul, number 18.
Suicide ka ba, ha? Kala mo, ha? Makakashoot ka ba, Olin? Okay. Ayan, sa dinami ng nilay ng Inter sa kakatang kapsa. Hindi na makashoot. Second attempt by Perez. Ayan si basket by Kuya Kari.
39.
And number 6.
49.
10-point lead. Good ball. And number 9. As well get to number 6. Hey, there's a ball. Who's foul red? Number 33. Push foul. Number 33, second personal foul.
Open na yan, open.
Open shot na tayo. Second attempt for number 6. Not good. Power rebound. Ang lupit magpasabit.
Number 7.
In one play.
Number 7, second personal foul.
Number 7, second personal foul.
Pinanti na?
Number 7.
Wala pa. Hold mo muna sa referee. Hold.
Wala pa. Shot pa lang.
May pupuntahan. Second attempt. Basket. Inilalagay niya para sa pangalawa talaga ang shoot. Our fourth game for tonight. Be ready. Team SMDC versus the Lions of Judah. Number 18 sa isa. Tinawin si Mike. And there's a call.
Take time.
Foul.
Take time, baka makajump ka ng free throw.
Number 6, second personal foul. 2 free throw fouls sa ating number 6 from Dasma, Kuya Mike.
Tapos!
Good. Second attempt.
Las Marinas, Bataan.
Di ba, nakasan pa si Mike? Yung sa SMB? Commercial?
Walang pumasok.
Eh, power rin ba Malina?
Baba.
Kita nila mo yan. Nice call, ref. Nice call, Laos.
Seconds to play.
50 seconds.
Remaining.
Ay, lalim.
Number 9. Number 3, dribble attack. No move.
Kaya!
Mike. Tuselta. No move. Empower. Number 33. Foul. 33, third personal foul. And withdraw. Entering too soon.
20 seconds remaining. 20 seconds lang.
20 seconds. 20 seconds. 15 sa 3-point attempt. Not good. 10 seconds. Serta. Malakang. 5 seconds. 4 seconds. Third quarter.
Ano oras? Ano na oras mo tapos? Alas 9? Layo. CEO. The CEO. CEO. Green. Baka pa man, tama lang yung oras natin.
14, last quarter.
Yung ano po natin, 14, kahit mga 7, 14.
Oh, mga ganun, no? Kaya nga ano natin to.
So, ito ang mga fourth quarter. To number 6, Morata, 3-point attempt. Malakas. To number 6. Number 6, nakaharap ang pabasahan. Still, may number 3. Number 3. Side step. Kaya number 9, Bomba. Si basket ay number 9. Bomba ay number 9. Number 22. 17 from Laguna. Number 3 muna ito. Still may number 6, Morata. So now it's time to 21. And the final score.
45, 49.
45. Apat na lang po yung kalamangan. Nagpapauna lang wala ang CEO. Apat na lang. Ayan na. Ashley, Bomba! And there's a foul. Who's foul in? Number 21, holding foul. 4-point lead.
21, third personal foul.
Number 20, Sanchez, pinamingwan. Taktong mayaman para sa number 22. From north to south. Number 21, Mangkin. 21. To number 3. To number 22. To number 9.
Time to shoot.
And number 17, power rebound. 8 minutes, 22 seconds.
Pag may lead rotation.
Number 22. Kapantok to number 17. Malakas. Dahil lakas na rebound ni Kuya, number 21. Dami, nolungmas sa kalaban. Nolungmas.
Titans. Stop.
8 minutes remaining time. Substitution run. Step back in. Mark out. Tarcisio, 45. Titans, 51. 6-point lead. Sa ating 7 minutes and 55 seconds. Number 17, Kabatog. Oh! Ashley Tiruna! Hey! Ito, Robin and Michelle. It's okay. It's okay, baby. It's okay, baby. There's a foul. Ang ganda ng pasa. Number 6. Morata. Fade away. Basket. Fade away shot by Morata.
Uy, 4 na lang.
2 points.
4 na lang.
4-point lead. Good ball, number 24. To Kuya Mike. Naman, shoot mo na, baby. Ang ganda ng pasa. Tuwan-tuwa si baby. Ang ganda ng pasa. Substitution. Napapatayo, Kuya. Kuya Ashley. Basket.
Maka-score ka mamaya pag-uwi.
53, 47. 6-point lead from Titans. Ating 7 minutes. 3-point attempt, number 3. No good. Good. Gamble. Hindi nakita.
Siyo.
Sige, magsalita ka pa, sabi ni Goya Gati. 67, number 13, and Morata. Take away Morata, no good. Number 9, rebound. Number 9, and 1, there's a foul. Number 3, Musu foul. There's a bonus shot from number 9. 4-point lead.
Number 3, third personal foul.
Substitution rep.
Bigay na sir ha. Bigay na sir ha. Pag pumasok yung pangalabas eh, pili tayo mag-ano.
Substitution rep. Number 15 out. In. Number 15 in. Number 3.
Tatlo na lang.
Out.
Tatlo na lang.
3.3 para sa ating 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Tuwisa, hey, still. And number 67, turn kayo. Easy basket.
Hey.
Ball number 15.
Ano na?
1.8. 53-52. Napapatayo na po ang ball player, Ponsin. Zell, number 6, pumay sa gitna. Side step, and there's the good, and there's the whistle. Number 6, good ball, there's the ball. 67, side step, and basket. Para sa Akuzay.
Time out na kayo. Time out na.
53.
Time out kayo.
Para na po ng game. Ang bawat team. Number 22, Bumomba, Gomon. Number 7, Asfer, the boss. And number 9, Bumomba, Serata. To number 6, number 67. Winning the play. Malakas. Gomon. And there's a good ball. Number 3, to number 18. Number 18. Pushing foul. There's a ball. Number 12, number 13. Substitution. Number 13, foul. First personal foul. Napapatayo na po ang ating Miss Universe. 1 point lead para the CEO. And number 18. Sa ilalim, kabantak po. There's a bonus shot. Counted. James Payborn. Bonus shot para sa ating number.
Sino may bonus?
James! Sino yung foul? Number 6.
Number 6. Push foul. Bonus shot para kay number 17.
Number 6, third personal foul.
Pushing foul. Kuya Ashley. Foul. Time out. The CEO. Time out. Time out. The CEO. 55-54. 5 minutes remaining time sa ating final quarter. Our 48th for tonight, that's SMBC versus the Lion of Judah. Be ready. In fourth quarter. Number 67, crossover. 67, side step. There's a ball.
Number 6. Number 16.
Number 6.
Second personal foul, second.
Second personal foul. Number 6, Pro Titans. Alright. 55-54. 67. And as a rebound by number 6 to number 18. Number 18, side step. Number 18, body to body. Body to body. And set.
Titans!
Titans ball, Titans. Titans ball, Titans. Titans ball. Magandang laban, isa ang laban. Coach. Uy! Okay, coach. Coach, ang napalamanan.
Warning pa lang, warning pa lang.
Warning for penalty. Number 13.
Second.
Number 13, second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Number 3 to number 17. Number 3. Triple identity, number 3. Number Ashley. Ashley. Very good. Hey, let's go. Hey, nice, nice work. Substitution, substitution. Substitution. Number 13 out, 33 in. Our final quarter, 4 minutes, 47 seconds. Number 67, number 67, number 67, for the ball. Walang tao, number 67. Number 17.
Oh, Botings, warning for penalty.
Warning for penalty, 3 minutes, 55 seconds.
17, first personal foul.
First personal foul, number 17. 55, 54, 1.3. Same ball. 3 minutes, 55. Inbound by number 9. Number 9, inbound the ball. Rafael Morata, number 6. Morata, number 4. And there's the goal! Power rebound. Power point.
Nasa kabila.
James Layton.
Number 56.
Number 18. Number 18. Number 18. There's a foul. Who's going wrong?
Number 6, apat na.
Number 6, form personal foul. 55, 56. Number 18. 2 shot. Pati announcer naman ko na. 55, 56, 1 point lead sa CEO. 3 minutes, 32 seconds. Basket. Up, there's a ball, there's a ball.
Pumasok ba yan? Pumasok? Wala, wala.
Basket lang, basket lang.
Basket yun kanina. Basket.
Basket. Continue po lang.
59.
Penalty, Botings penalty.
Both teams have penalty. Both teams have penalty.
56 all.
Both teams have penalty.
29, second personal foul.
Botings are in penalty.
Number 29, second personal foul. Lion of Judah. Kansas SFPC. Our fourth game for tonight. Be ready. Our fourth quarter, 3 minutes, 30 seconds. That's at 56 all. Penalty, both teams. And it's number 9, second attempt. And number 9, second attempt. Number 9.
Pumasok.
Hindi yung kanina, wala pa yung kanina. Ang yan pangalawa.
Second attempt. 3 minutes, 30 seconds. Number 9, second attempt.
Yun.
1.3 by the zero.
56, 57.
To number 3, to number 6, right. To number 6. Umikot. Number 6. Number 6 to number 18.
10 to shoot.
10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Mike. Oh, there's 2 points. Ang ganda ng pasa. Guwapo pa tumira. May bonus pa. Double shot para sa ating number 29. 1 point lead, Titan. Number 33, number 23, number 29, 67, 67, using the board, wala pa. Rebound. And there's a foul.
Number 9, number 9.
Number 9.
Second.
Number 9, second personal foul. 58-57. 58-57, 2 minutes 45 seconds. Penalty from number 17. Hey, Robert. Oy, coach to coach yan. Tiyan sa tiyan yan. Coach to coach, oh. Tiyan sa tiyan. Number 17. Second attempt. Munagod and Morata. Power rebound by Morata, number 57. And Leon, three back. And then, number 3. On rebound.
Number 3, fourth. Personal foul.
Number 3. Warning. 4. Graduate. 1 personal foul. Number 15.
Wala.
58-57. 58-57.
May extension to.
Today, basket, deadlock. Deadlock ang ating score. Sa ating 2 minutes, 26 seconds. 2 minutes, 26 seconds. Mark to man. Receiver number 3. Number 3 on the video. Number 2 to number 17. To number 18. To number 18. Basket 60-58. Number 67. Recover.
Oh, sige sir.
Okay, number 18. Number 18. 18. 5 step. Man! There's a ball. There's a foul. Time out. Time out. The CEO.
Lima ng foul sa number 6. Number 6, 5 fouls na. Number 6, 5 fouls.
Number 6. 5 fouls. Graduate.
Both teams, tag-isang timeout.
Okay. Back to the ball game. Sa ating napakagandang laban. 60-58. Beast na po ang ating fourth game for tonight. Lion of Judah versus MSDC. SMDC versus Lion of Judah, our fourth game for tonight. Second attempt by number 6. 2.3 by Titans. 1 minute 45 seconds. Second attempt. Second attempt. Number 6. And next number. Number 18. Number 18. Number 18. That's it! So good. To number 9. To number 67. 67. Foul, there's a foul, there's a foul.
Both teams, tag-isang timeout ha. Both teams, tag-isang timeout.
Both teams, tigisa na lang po ng timeout. Both teams, tigisa ng timeout.
Hindi, may ano kayo. Sa third quarter at saka fourth quarter isa.
Timeout ako daw kanina eh. Nakamit mo lang isang game eh.
Oo.
Pasok.
Yung ano.
Oh, didlock. Oh, didlock.
Deadlock, 61 all. Serve. Number 9. 1 minute 20 seconds. As left. 1 minute 10 seconds. 1 minute 10 seconds.
Time out, time out, time out!
One minute, 3 seconds. 2 points lead para sa ating CEO. 2 points lead. Okay.
Both teams ang penalty na po, no?
Both teams are penalty. Ready na mo our set for play. Versus the Lion of Judah. 1 minute 3 seconds. 1 minute 3 seconds. Number 18. 18. Side cut. Deadlock. 53 seconds. There's a foul. Number 2, blocking foul.
Number 3, 5 fouls.
Number 3,
5 fouls.
Broadway. 5 personal foul.
Walang masok.
46 seconds. 46 seconds. 63 all. 63 all.
Yan.
1 point lead. Casino. 1 point lead.
Illegal. Warning, warning. Warning, delaying it.
Number 9.
Warning, delaying of the game.
Number 9, warning for delaying the game. Here, 46 seconds. Yes, sir. Something by number 3. To number 67. To number 9. To 8. Goal ball. To number 3. Number 3. Number
Walang faul.
35 seconds. Basket. 1 point against Bengal. 1 point lead. Titans 61-64. 29 seconds. One shot by number 6. 29 seconds.
Sana lang, sana lang.
Tag-isa kayo.
Wala na, wala na.
30 seconds. 29 seconds.
Wala na time out, wala na time out. Wala na time out.
Both teams, no timeout. No timeout, both teams. No timeout, both teams. Okay, back to the ball game. 29 seconds. 29. 29 seconds sa ating napakagandang laban. 29 seconds. 29 seconds. 66, 64. 66, 60. Wala pa. Wala pa. Wala pa. Wala pa. Okay, ref. First down. Dapat. 29 seconds. 29 seconds. 66, 64. Number 15. 67. Oh, wait.
22.
Number 22. Personal foul. Oh, wait ka na. Upo tayo. Number 22.
Second personal foul. Second personal foul.
Wala tayong marigyan pa. 3 points. 2 free throw para kay number 33. Number 33 for second. Bago. 66. 64.
Hotels, wala nang time out.
Buti, mula ng tamaw.
Number 33. 33.
Ano pumasok?
Pumasok.
19 seconds. 19 seconds.
Walang time out. Wala nang time out.
Wala nang timeout.
Wala nang time out.
19 seconds. Good ball.
Wala nang time out.
Meron tayong record. Hindi ko kayo mapalit yung sa point nyo. Wala tayong wala. 1 second. Balik.
Na-stop yun, sir. Na-stop yun. 5 seconds yun. Na-stop yun. 5 seconds pag shoot.
Napadala kayo sa ating
Wala nang time out.
Buti, mula ng tamaw.
Overtime.
Sinasabi mo kanina pa, buti mula ng tamaw.
Overtime doon.
1 second. Second.
Buti, may pumitik mo lang.
1 second.
1 second na lang.
1 second.
Ewan ko, 2 minutes siguro? 2 minutes lang? 3? Ha? 3 minutes? 3 minutes, oh.
Tatlo lang. Wala. Tatlo lang. Right.
Okay na, tama. CEO tayo, CEO. CEO. Ang isang time out, butin sa isang time out, ha?
Pag-isang tamaw.
Okay, tigil tayo. Last 3 minutes. Diretso tayo. Yung oras natin. Masasayang. All players, on game, ready na po tayo. 3 minutes warm-up lang yan. Start na kayo. 4K. 3 po na lang. Number 67, out. And 33, basket. Number 33. James Maybon. Este, Benzinho. 67. 67 is number 10. Number 67. To number 15. Number 15. To number 13. Good ball. Still to number 18. 18. Good over. To number 22, Suiza. Oh, papa pala yun. Number 17, Kamatong. Tadi Kamatong. No way. Number 21. 1. There's a foul. What's my rep? Number 3, holding foul. Number 3, second personal foul. Announcement, fourth game, ready na. Wala tayong oras, finish na po kayo. After dito, warm up, 2 minutes to start the game. Free throw.
2 minutes na?
2-point lead ng CEO. 2 shot. Bihis na po ang ating 4th game. No good. 2 minutes, 2 seconds. Support sa ating overtime. 4th game. Ready na po, bihis na. Suot na ang mga jersey nyo. Basket. 1-point lead. 1-point lead, Titans. Number 33. Number 21. 21 minutes. Number 15 to number 3. 10 on the shot clock. 8 on the shot clock. Now 10. There's a corner traveling without passport. Sabi na dyan. Pasok. 1 minute 41 seconds. 1.8 ang CEO. Suiza from Laguna Lakers to number 17, Kabantong. Ashley, kita. Word, number 9, Bobby, Suiza, sa gitna. Number 18. Basket. Time out, Asino. Please, time out. Pagkailangan kayo kasi yung oras natin. Okay. 5 seconds. Wala tayong oras. Wala tayong magagawa. Basketball game. Kailangan mo tumawag kayo ng timeout sa mga ka-senior team. 34 seconds. 34 seconds. 3-point lead Titans. Wala. Okay, back to the ball game. 34 seconds. 34 seconds. 3-point lead.
Sir, pa, ano lang.
3-point lead Titans.
Kita sa kamera.
3-point lead. Number 9. Number 9, Duterte. Number 15, number 11. Wow. 20 seconds, 21 seconds. Baba. 21 seconds.
Shot clock.
21 seconds. Suot na po jersey natin, 4th game. Mabilis na warm-up natin. Bihis na po, Lion of Judah, SMDC. Very good. 21 seconds. 21 seconds. 3-point lead. 21 seconds. 21 seconds. Basket. 21 seconds. Number 3, give it a go. 8 seconds. Ashley! Ashley, you will receive gift tonight.